Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my Robinhood investing series. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Robinhood portfolio in addition to my WeBull portfolio. As you can see for the day, I am up 5.84% or up $267, which is a fantastic day. So scrolling down here, you'll see the reason why I'm up so much today is because of Blink charging. So let's go over to Blink and see what happened for today. So it started off its trading day at around $10 and now shot up $2 and it's at $12.28. And it is having such a great week. You can see that in the beginning of the week, it is, if I could get my fingers to work here, started off this week at 9 and is now at 12, which is insane. So definitely going to continue holding Blink charging at the moment, even though I only have $1,000 into Blink, which is awesome, and really looking forward to the future of that stock. So Tesla, I'm actually down $2.52 for the day. Upwork still going up. So shout out to you again, Chris. Great recommendation there. So up $39 and just holding Apple, holding PPL, the electric company, for dividend payments, and currently have a buying power of just 94 cents. So might deposit more later on in the week, depending on what's happening. A little bit strapped on extra cash at the moment, which is why I haven't been buying it in within the last couple videos, but just seeing the portfolio slightly rise as we go along. As you can see, for the month, we lost a little bit and then just recovered nicely. So we're only up $17 for the whole month, but that's okay. Up almost $300 for the week. So really great week so far. And let's hop over to the WeBull portfolio. So over on the WeBull portfolio, we are currently at almost $1,200 invested. We do have a cash balance of $68. And if you guys would like to sign up for a WeBull portfolio, feel free to use my referral link in the description below and get 2 free stocks after you deposit $100 or more. And so scrolling down here, you see that on Facebook, I'm up $24, Upwork up almost $200, and Blink, we're also doing really well over here, up almost $150. So really great day for me so far. Still decided to just hold everything and trying to figure out what I should do with the $68 that I currently have in my cash balance. So if you guys have any idea or any recommendations on stocks that you do believe is going to jump maybe tomorrow or sometime next week, let me know in the comment section below, or something to add to my watch list. And again, I am not a financial advisor of any kind, just some random guy investing on the internet. So don't be taking financial advice of anyone that comments. Do your own research before you buy any stock. I just happen to be doing well at the moment with the amount I have invested, and looking forward to seeing what these stocks do. Again, this series I'm just going to be holding probably for about like 5 years or so, and then selling them off and using the money for potentially a down payment on a house, or figuring out some way to use it in some way, shape, or form. But that's what this series has been all about. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.